Yeah. Yeah.
Mira, chavos, aquí andamos haciendo una comida. Gonna make some chicken alfredo with shrimp. It's gonna come out bomb. Just wait on it. So the food's almost done. I've just had the food's almost done. I have the noodles boiling, and I had to make this kind because I didn't have the string noodles. I got the chicken over here. I got the shrimps over here. Looking bomb. Boom. The food's ready. I got the shrimp on the side because my girlfriend doesn't like shrimp. Just leave it on there. What are you gonna do, Josiah? What are you gonna do? You gonna throw bread to the birds?
Yeah, bread.
Bread? You're gonna fall. Come here. You gonna throw bread to the birds?
Yeah, bread.
Ooh, that smells nasty.
I know. Se lo estaba guardando los ducks y se echó más a perder.
Where's it? There's no birds.
Ahorita le lavo.
Fucking fat ass pigs. We should feed them laxative. Feed them laxative, mom. Take a shit all over you. Mira. Comparten, güeyes. This way. Why'd you sit down? Huh? Josiah. Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Because there's no more bread? Where's the bread? Where's the bread? I still got mad. Yeah, look for the squirrel. Look, look for the squirrels in the tree. Right there in the tree. Say squirrel.
Yeah, cold.
Squirrel? Squirrel?
The cold.
Where's all the squirrels? Set. Ready? Set. Go. 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 Bye. Bye. I'm leaving. Bye. Ready? Set. Go. 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 This one looks like Chucky. Look at it. Wanna play? Hi, I'm Chucky. You wanna play? What do you fools want? What do you want, perrito? What is it? Ice cream? You got ice cream? Is it good? Yeah?
Hi guys, so Angel's a dumbass and he locked his keys.
My fingers. Ow!
Angel.
Ow! Fuck.
Angel.
Kitty tried to run away right now.
That's scary.
She's trying to get pregnant again.
Hey, bro, I can't see you over here. But there's like no way I could get this shit.
break the door. Your fingers got stuck.
Oh, wait.
Why did you use the other side?
Do this.
Your fingers didn't get stuck again.
Ooh, look at that bracelet.
Ooh.
Shiny, 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 shiny here.
Oh.
Wait, where's his keys?
Your ass is in the frame. Does she never go to her kids?
The door's gonna hit Tanya.
Oh my god. Hey, content. It's gonna hit Kitty though.
It's gonna hit me.
Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking moon. Hey, rock.